Teouma. Teouma is a major archaeological site 826.25 ft from Teouma Bay on the island of Éfaté in Vanuatu. The site contains the oldest known cemetery within the Pacific Islands and has been important in the gathering of information relating to the Lapita people of the 9th and 10th centuries BC. Archaeology. In late 2003, 26 inhumations consisting of 36 individuals were found in the largest known cemetery located on the south coast of Éfaté Island in Vanuatu in the Pacific. The cemetery is thought to be between approximately 3,200 and 3,000 years old. A common feature of these burials is the presence of red pottery fragments bearing intricate designs. These individuals were buried in various positions. One consistent feature of the burials was the removal of the skull following the decomposition of the periodontal ligaments. Once removed, these skulls were replaced with cone shell rings. This demonstrates a ceremonial culture. Isotopic analysis. Isotope analysis was performed on the excavated individuals to determine the characteristics of human migration in the Pacific during this time period. Researchers were able to analyze isotopes from 17 of the individuals. Subsequently, they found that 4 individuals had different isotope levels from the remaining 13. It is believed that these 4 individuals were immigrants, and in addition to having different isotope levels, they may have been different culturally as well. Genetics. In 2016, researchers extracted the DNA from the petrous bone of 3 of the individuals buried at Teouma. This is the first successful DNA extraction from ancient samples taken from the tropics. The remains date to around 3,110 to 2710 years old. DNA analysis confirmed that all 3 of the individuals were female. They all belong to haplogroup Beforianionia, the typical Polynesian motif. A DNA analysis shows that the 3 individuals cluster together with another Lapita sample, dating to around 2680 to 2340 years old, taken from Talaisu, Tongatapu, Tonga. Altogether, the samples form a genetically distinct population when compared against modern populations. When compared against modern populations, the ancient samples from Teouma and Talaisu are genetically closest to the Ami and Atayal people from Taiwan, and the Kankanee people from the northern Philippines, while sharing little similarity with modern Papuans. According to Matthew Spriggs, the ancient population at Teouma came straight out of Taiwan and perhaps the northern Philippines.